It's quieter than usual on Bali's beaches. Tens of thousands of Chinese tourists who would have spent their winter holidays on the island have had to postpone their plans because of the coronavirus outbreak. For visitors from China who landed here before the outbreak escalated, there are two choices: return home or extend their stay. At least 300 out of the 5,000 who are here have applied for visa extensions. But Yan Dongqing and her husband are ready to go home. The couple say they're confident Chinese authorities and governments around the world are handling the situation.
We need to go back to our jobs and our children need to go to school. So when our holiday ends, we will immediately return home.
Every year, around 1 million Chinese tourists visit Bali, and there were direct flights from Wuhan, where the outbreak began, until they were stopped a few weeks ago. As many ask how Indonesia has seemingly avoided this outbreak for now, there's concern the virus is present here, but undetected, somewhere in this vast archipelago.
A recent study by Harvard researchers looked at data around the outbreak and its link with air travel volume. It calculated the risk of an outbreak in countries with direct flights to Wuhan when the outbreak began, and found the disease could already be in Indonesia. Some say Indonesia is vulnerable.
There are many ports of entry into the country, so many airports and ways for people to get in, and some rural areas don't have the right equipment to detect the virus.
But authorities here are defending measures taken by Indonesia.
We've been mapping the spread of what would happen if there was an outbreak. We have 100 hospitals ready now and more are getting ready. The facilities and personnel are prepared.
The World Health Organization also says the country is taking the right steps to detect the virus and prepare for cases.
We are fully confident Indonesia's national lab has the reagents, tests, and they are competent to detect any transmission.
It's been confirmed one Chinese national who travelled to Bali has contracted the virus, but it's not clear whether that happened in Bali or elsewhere. Authorities are looking into the case, and on this island, many are anxiously waiting to know. Jessica Washington, Al Jazeera, Bali.